Always striving to stay in time with the needs of the engine rebuilding industry, Enginetech is constantly adding timing sets and components to its product line. Whether it be for import or domestic engines, Enginetech's complete timing sets are designed to provide you everything you need to properly fix your engine timing issues the first time. From simple 3-piece sets to complex sets, Enginetech offers a wide range of timing components including precision match timing gear sets, individual cam phasers, timing belts, idlers, and more. Our timing kits have all the right components in a single kit with a single stocking part number, simplifying your inventory. Enginetech timing kits are designed to meet or exceed OE specifications. Chains are pre-stretched to eliminate post-stretching after installation. Hardened pins increase durability and chain life. Gear sprocket teeth are heat treated for increased hardness to reduce wear and increase resistance to corrosion. Our kits are unrivaled in the market in terms of coverage, value, and applications. Find everything you need all in one place visiting www.enginetechcatalog.com now. Enginetech, the engine builder's source.